Hello. I hope everybody's doing well. Well, today we are gonna open this. I have never tried this before. This kind of like companies that do, like you put your design online and they print it for you and send it home. Um, I had never tried this before, and I finally ordered one of this, and I'm very excited to open it with you guys. I haven't opened it or anything because I wanted to do first impression with you guys. So, and open everything, I will show you how I order online. It was very easy. I got this package so fast. I was very surprised how fast I got it. I think I ordered on a Sunday or Saturday, I can't remember, and I got it on a Wednesday or Thursday. Again, sorry, I can't remember, but anyway, it was super fast. And this is more for like if you have like me, you have a little store and you do the same design over, or you want something that is really good quality, better than printing it yourself or doing it with vinyl. This is, this is what is supposed to be, and it should be good apparently. I see a lot of people trying it, not specific this brand but different brands and this brand as well, but because I keep seeing them online, so a lot of people are doing it, and because it's easier, and it's supposed to be better quality. But anyways, let's open it and let's see.
Like you see, I'm here in the ninjatransfer.com website. It was super easy to do. They give you the instructions and how to do it and what you will need, that kind of stuff. Of course, the videos is going super fast, but I wanted to show you guys the website. They in the different options they had. In my case, I just put the images in that template that they give you for the role, and you just upload the images, and I put some verticals and others horizontal, that way I could gain some space so I could fill the whole sheets. And it was, again, so easy to just put it there. And again, I just wanted to show you the website. um I send it to the car, and the one I ordered was the 22 inches by 120 inches.
So here we go. I have everything here that they sent me in the box. It was kind of cool. I like it so far. I'm impressed. It looks like quality. They even send the parchment paper. I think that's what it's called. Um, and here are my design. No, this is not everything my own design. Some of them I have the design from that I bought from someone else and that kind of stuff. But here are some of the designs that I bought. This one I did it my own. This one I created my own. These are my own. These are my own. These ones are, of course, are not. They're not mine at all. But this ones are. If you're Puerto Rican, you will understand what they are. This is limber. Um, and here are a couple. It's really hard to show you everything. And like you saw in the video where I'm ordering this, I ordered a lot of designs. So there are so many designs here. I wish I can show you all, But again, it was so easy to do, and so far the the quality looks good. I know that I have some images that they were too small for what I was gonna put it at, so it was a little bit tricky there. But so far so good. They look good. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys that, and I'm gonna put three of the designs in shirts so I can show you how it's done in case you are interested. And you can go in the description and visit the website if you're interested. But before that, I want to show you that they give you this code over here so you can follow instructions. They actually give you instructions in here in this package, but I saw this code over here, and it was so easy to follow. So there we go. So they give you both of this. Of course, I'm picking the DTF Transfer. They actually give you options: heat press, iron, or Cricut heat press. So in this case, I'm going to pick the Cricut because it's easier, in the way I can show you here and don't have to move to the heat press. So I'm going to pick this one, but this one is what they recommend, of course. So, but in my case, I'm going to pick this one. Here we go. They give you every instruction, the position of the design, the 320 degrees, 20 seconds. They give you everything that you would need. Let it cool. So before you pull the clear coat paper from it, you have to let it cool before you peel. The final, you have to use the parchment paper that they include, and even tell you how to watch it. So that's kind of cool. So I wanted to show you guys this. I'm sure all the companies are different, but I'm basing this in Ninja Transfer. This is what I got here. And anyway, you can visit the description, and if you're interested, you can get it from them. But so far, so good. So let's do a shirt. So here are more shirts. I love it. I don't have anything to say about, like, nothing bad about it. It was really easy to do. The quality looks great. Once again, this is a design that I bought, so it's not mine, but I mean, and I enlarged the image. But even though it looks amazing and I like it, I mean, it was not, once again, it was so easy to do. I did not have any problems in peeling or anything like that. There's so many papers out there that you can do your own, but the quality are not gonna be the same. I mean, I haven't watched this yet, but so far I can say that it looks great and it's there. It's there. I don't have any, like, it looks like it was there. I don't know how to describe it. But again, I will put the link in the description if you're interested in getting the DTF transfer roll. So you can, I mean, if you sell your own designs, this is an easy way to do it. And if you're or looking to make money, this is the way to do it. You can do your design, do it in the roll, so you have many, and you just have to heat press it, and that's it. It was really easy, and again, I don't have anything bad to say about it. This was for me. These designs were for me. Was something that we have with like my daughter. But once again, it was easy to do, and I got this so fast in the mail, so you can start making money and do your thing. So, anyways, if you like this video, please press like, share, and like always, God bless you. See you in the next video.